Amber here with another guitar tutorial for you today. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to play Save Tonight by Eagle Eye Cherry. Recently I released a 2000s mashup series video, and one of the songs that I taught in that video series was Save Tonight, and I got so many people messaging me saying, oh, they love the song and they used to listen to it all the time. So I thought, oh my goodness, let's do a full tutorial for the song because it really is a fun guitar song to play. So for those of you who are complete beginners, there is a little bit of a tricky strumming pattern in this piece, but the chords are relatively easy and we can always strip back that strumming pattern just to one strum if that makes you more comfortable. Without further ado, let's jump into the lesson. So we do not need a capo for the song, and we only have 4 beginner friendly chords. So the first chord you're going to need is an A minor chord. We're then going to look at that F major 7 chord. Next up is C major. And our 4th and final chord is G major. So we're going to be holding each of those chords for 2 counts. 1, 2, switch to C and to G. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. A minor to F, major 7, C and G. You can get away with playing the entire song like that, and I'll give you a demonstration. Save tonight and fight the break of dawn. Come tomorrow, tomorrow I'll be gone. So it doesn't sound exactly like the song, but you can definitely get away with it, at least in the beginning of your guitar journey. So the next thing that we're going to be doing is looking at the strumming pattern. So we're going to break it down. First, what I want you to practice is just down strums, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We can do it on A minor, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's change it now to the 1 and 2 and. We're going to switch to F, 3 and 4 and. So from the A minor, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And we're going to do the same on the C and the G. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So beat 1 is the first chord, 1 and 2 and. Beat 3 and onwards is the next chord, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's another way you can play the song. Save tonight and fight the break of dawn. Come tomorrow, tomorrow I'll be gone. So that would be level 2. Now what we're going to do is we're going to be adding some up strums. So it's going to sound like this. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. Okay. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. And that we're going to split over 2 chords. So the A minor is going to get the down, 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 up. And the F is going to get the down, up, down, 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 up. And then we get to the C and the G. Practice this as slow as you need to before speeding it up. So let's try it together. I'm going to play it slowly. 1, 2, 3, and. Switch to C and to G. Again. Down, 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 up, down, down, down. it together a little bit faster. And my trick here is to do really small movements with your strumming hand. If you're doing really big, stiff strumming hand motions, you're never going to be able to get up to speed. So a really loose wrist and small movements. Like literally flicking the strings. This song is really fast, and for around about 3 minutes, you're going to get a really sore wrist. So the smaller your movements are, the longer you'll be able to maintain that strumming rhythm and that strumming pattern throughout the entire song. Now there is a section in the song, and it's the third verse where he sings, tomorrow comes to take me away. Now that part of the song, we're gonna actually go back to pattern 2 that I taught you just now, which is just all down strums. So that's really nice, and it's actually a bit of a stripped back version of in the song. So that part you can stop doing your strumming pattern and you can revert to just the down strums. And if you can even add in a palm mute there as well. Because like I said, it's a bit of a stripped back part of the song. Before it goes back into the chorus, save tonight. Don't come tomorrow. So take some time now, practice changing back and forth between those chords, slow down that strumming pattern, and then as you start to get more comfortable, then you can join me in a play along, which is coming up next. A 1, 2, 3, 4. to the end of that song with me, well done. I think my arm's about to fall off. That's definitely not a song for the faint-hearted guitarist, but well done, and I really hope you enjoyed today's guitar tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and to please like this video. It really helps me out. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I really can't wait to see you in the next video tutorial next week. Have a really wonderful day. Bye!